So the Supreme Court just said out loud in open court something that a lot of us have been saying for weeks about the July 20 crackdown. And honestly, hearing it from the Chief Justice hits different than hearing it from a random person online. Chief Justice Surya Kant, hearing a batch of petitions about a police force against student protesters, said the right to peaceful protest is absolutely guaranteed under the Constitution and that agitation alone can never justify a lathi charge. His actual words were that discipline is integral to the democratic process and that if there was excess, it needs to be independently examined, not just brushed off as Delhi being Delhi. He specifically said India needs uniform police protocol for handling protests everywhere, not just ad hoc decisions city by city. And to be fair, the bench didn't ignore the police either. Justice Bagchi pointed out that injuries to policemen matter just as much as the injuries to students and actually questioned why officers weren't given proper equipment like helmets to handle the situation safely in the first place. That's a real balanced observation, not one-sided. The petitions themselves are asking for real structural things. A ban on plainclothes police doing crowd control without visible identification, an independent judicial probe into July 20 specifically, and actual limits on how often the government can slap prohibitory orders on protests without a real specific threat behind them. This isn't over. All the petitions get heard together tomorrow. But for the first time, this isn't just protesters versus government anymore. It's the Supreme Court itself asking the same question millions of us have been asking since July 20.